Ever wondered how scientists can see proteins in your food without a microscope? Watch closely. This test literally turns purple when proteins are present. Testing for proteins in a food sample involves a simple and widely used method known as the Biuret test. The Biuret reagent is a chemical solution commonly used to detect the presence of proteins. Here's a more detailed step-by-step explanation of the procedure. Take about 2 cubic centimeters of the food sample and carefully transfer it into a clean and dry test tube. The amount may vary depending on the specific protocol or experiment. Add an equal amount of Biuret reagent to the test tube containing the food sample. The Biuret reagent typically consists of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. It forms a complex with proteins, leading to a color change. Gently swirl the contents of the test tube to ensure thorough mixing of the food sample with the Biuret reagent. This allows the reagent to react with any proteins present in the sample. Allow the mixture to stand for a few minutes, usually around 5 minutes, to allow the reaction between the proteins and the Biuret reagent to take place. During this time, observe any color changes in the solution. If proteins are absent or present in minimal amounts, the solution will typically remain blue, indicating a negative result. If proteins are present in significant quantities, the color of the solution will change to purple or violet, indicating a positive result. A quick challenge. Can you guess why the Biuret test turns purple in the presence of proteins? Drop your answer in the comments before I reveal it. It's essential to note that the Biuret test is semi-quantitative, meaning it provides an indication of the presence or absence of proteins but does not quantify the exact amount. For quantitative analysis, additional methods like the Bradford assay or Lowry assay may be employed. The purple color appears because of peptide bonds in proteins reacting with the copper ions in the Biuret reagent. Did you get it right? Let me know. Now that you know how to test for proteins in food, what about the other essential nutrients? In the next video, we'll uncover how to test for starch. Stay tuned. Stay curious.